This short video is on how I make flavoured rice in my Thermomix using rice mode. So the first thing I do is I put my flavour base and cook that off. So to my Thermomix bowl I'm adding some garlic, some chopped onion, and I'm also going to add some ginger. Now you can put anything you like in as the base for your rice. So I'm just going to do this and saute it. Once I've got all my aromatics in the bowl, I'm going to chop them. So what we do is we chop for 5 seconds on speed 6. Then we remove the lid and scrape down, and we add a touch of oil to the Thermomix and start to saute that off. To saute, I'm going to use the varoma temperature, or 120 degrees. So 5 minutes, 120 degrees, speed 2. While that's cooking, I'm going to weigh in my basmati rice into the thermo basket on top of my Thermomix, and I'm going to give that a rinse. When the time's up and your aromatics are sauteed, what we do is we scrape down and then we add our rice, our washed rice, to our Thermomix bowl. I'm adding water, and I'm also going to add a chicken stock pot. They're made by Continental. You could use your Thermomix vegetable stock or any other flavour enhancer that you prefer to use. We give that a little stir, pop the lid on, and we set our Thermomix to the rice cooker mode. This is where your Thermomix will sort out the time, temperature and speed that needs to be cooked at, and your rice will come out perfectly. So it took 25 to 30 minutes for this to happen, and as you can see here, it's nice and fluffy. I like to pop mine in a thermoserver or a bowl with a lid and leave it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. And there you have it. Easy flavoured rice to go with any dish. The next step is up to you. I usually put my Thermomix then in pre-wash mode. So I put a litre of water into my Thermomix bowl with a dash of detergent, and this is where it comes out. Sparkling clean. You just need to rinse it, give it a bit of a brush, and it's ready to go, or you can stick it in your dishwasher.